My name is Sophia Bell. I work with Total Mortgage and I work out of the Leominster office. I've been in the financial industry for about 14, 15 years. Right out of high school, I got into the banking world and I started off as a teller. I worked my way through the process all the way up to an assistant vice president where I oversaw all of retail. The reason why I decided to make the shift from the banking atmosphere into the lending side of it is I found that I was dealing less and less with the actual client. I love working with people. There's something really special about building a relationship with your customer or your member, and they come in, they know who you are. And what better way to do that than to be a part of one of the most important financial milestones in their life? I get to play a very small part in something that's so exciting for them. So I cater to a lot of different clients, but I'd probably say my favorite client is the first-time home buyer. As a first-time home buyer, there's a different set of needs that they have. There's a lot more questions. This is a brand new process. And I love spending the time with them. Being a lender is not a 9-to-5 job. You're gonna have questions outside of the normal banking hours. Questions come up at 9 o'clock at night. And I always make sure that my clients feel comfortable enough to be able to call me to do that. And a lot of the time, those are the first-time home buyers. So I think what differentiates me from a lot of other lending officers is the fact that I have 14, 15 years in the banking industry. I understand a lot of the banking jargon. So if there's a situation where there's an error on a bank statement, some lenders may not know how to handle that and say, well, you need to go to your bank and get it fixed. Where I can say, you need to go to your bank and get it fixed, but here are the proper steps that you need to do, and this is how it works. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Again, I understand that when you're in the mortgage process, your questions aren't 9 to 5, and so I make sure that I'm available 24/7 to be able to answer any questions you may have in the process.